Hello, good morning! What I'm going to show to you for today's video is the simplest electric coffee grinder. This one is rechargeable, so very convenient if you just want to bring it outside or if you are going camping, then you need a coffee grinder. So ayan, i-detach ko lang yung natira na beans or the grind coffee. So ito transfer ko lang siya sa container. And I'm sorry for the mess up background right now because ayun nga, hindi ako nakapaglinis and gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo to. Ito yung siguro mga half a year ko nang ginagamit. So usually, dati kasi binibili ko is yung ground coffee na or yung nagiling na coffee. But now is I bought, mas tipid to whole beans coffee. To-transfer ko lang siya dito sa taas, yung pinakita ko nga. And then, just enough. Usually, I don't grind so much coffee kasi parang I want it to be fresh every morning. So, ayan, i-adjust mo lang siya. Yun, meron siyang 5 na adjustment. Yung sa pinakamadulo that's the fine coffee, then medium. So, it depends on ano yung kailangan mo. Like, what machine are you going to use? Or, yun. Kasi for me, I have this, the machine that I previously reviewed, yung Cafelty. So, ayan, nag-start na siya. Pipindutin mo lang siya from here. And then, it's up to you if you want, kung hindi ka satisfied doon sa pino or how fine the coffee is. So, ayan siya. Then, iiwan ko lang siya. I'll just leave it here. And, yan, kung saan na siya nag-grind. So, di ba? Very convenient. So, next time, re-review ko naman yung milk frother ko. So, but, yeah, this is what I do every morning. I want the fresh beans. Ayoko kasi, di ba, pag masyado ng matagal or you bought this grind coffee or grounded coffee na siya, sometimes it becomes acidic, maasim. But this one is fresh every morning and you can bring this like sa office, di ba? Kung gusto mo, dali mo siya sa office, you can bring this anywhere. You can bring this during camping and it's very convenient. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. Yung product size niya is about 7.8 by 7.8 and 21.6 cm. Siguro that's the height. So, yeah. And then, yung power niya is 15 watts. So, I charge this siguro just once to twice a month. Ganun lang. Hindi siya laging needed to be charged. Kasi, maganda yung battery capacity niya. So, ayan. I think this one is enough. Meron siyang measurement kasi. Like, this one is for 1 coffee, 3 cups of coffee. So, meron naman siyang measurement. And then, I'll just transfer this para either for the entire day, meron na akong nagiling na kape. So, I hope you like this kind of video and happy watching! Please